Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a soccer, football field, whatever you want to call it, in Heartopia. So this is an ode to the World Cup that's currently going on. So what you want to do is you want to place down these corner tiles, and this is to kind of count how many tiles we need for the actual field. So place 6 horizontally and 4 vertically for every corner like this. Then you're going to want to get a half wall and you're going to place it here. And then you're going to get some flooring and you're going to place it on the side. Make sure the underside of it is colored green. Just use any ceiling color. And for the flooring, I used this one. And I'm just going to adjust it until it touches the other tile. Okay, I think this is a little bit too much. This one, perfect. Next, we are going to grab the lighter grass color and we're just going to color in sections like this. So select the continuous selection and we're going to just color it. I'll be back. I'll just fast forward this. Now that's done, we are going to add stairs for the goalposts. So I'm just going to grab some stairs here and I'm just going to color it white. And we're going to add 4. So hopefully this is in the middle. We're just going to add it to the middle of each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's in the middle. Then we're just going to rotate that and we're going to place that again in the middle. Whoops, I don't know why that happens. Like so. Okay, for the I don't know what it's called, okay? Like the square thing. I'm not a athletic person, as you can tell. But I'm just going to place, okay, let me just, oops, I can't erase that, okay. I'm going to delete these parts first, and then I'm going to add basically a flooring here, in the middle part here and here. And then we are going to add a fence. So here, I'm just going to grab the metal fence and I'm going to color it white as well. And I'm just going to place it here in 1, 2, 3, I think 4 is enough. And then here as well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're just going to cover that up. And then on this one, I'm just going to do it on one side. You actually don't, oh my gosh, let's not delete the floors actually, because we need it. So grab the floor and extend that. And then we are going to grab another metal fence here, color it white, confirm it, and then, oops, place it on the floor below and extend that. Then we are going to close that up. You're just going to also do it on the other side. Okay, and then I'm just going to leave this one first so I can continue the tutorial, but count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is where you need to draw the other line. So here I'm just going to remove this. And then I'm going to need another flooring here as well. Can you go down here or not? This is so annoying. Let me get it from here. Can I get it from there? Okay, I can. Just gonna bring it all the way here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't say 6, 7, please. But yeah, I just did, but whatever. Place the metal fence down here and we're just going to create a line across like so. And we're just going to close that up. And I'm just going to kind of see like where the middle is, and I'm just going to open it back again. So let's do that first actually. I think that's enough space. So you will need this, the winter quartered balcony, and honestly just color the fence white. You don't have to color the rest white because you can only see the top part anyways, and we're just going to make a circle for like the middle circle thing, and then you can close that up like so. And I'm just going to do the other half and I'll be right back. And this is what you're going to want to do for the sides of the goalpost. So you're just going to grab the thin wooden pillar, and you're also going to color that white. Oops. Um, there we go. And so this is the first height for it. So we'll have two of those pillars, and then we're going to make it taller. And we'll have three of those pillars, and then taller again. And then we'll have two of the pillars, I think, and then we're going to make it taller. And then we'll have two, and then we'll make it taller again, and then we'll have two of those pillars. Then you're just going to press the check mark button. And then here I just put like floorings all around the like field. And this is the finished results. Again, you can decorate the like bleachers to however you'd like. I don't really want to go in detail that much, but yeah. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Comment down below which team you're rooting for this year, this event. Which country you're rooting for. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.